What's up guys, it's the B-Bros. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make this claymore with movable legs and a blasting cap. The first thing you're going to do is take a scrap of wood and we're going to draw a 5 by 8 square on it, so 5 inches high by 8 inches long. The next step to making our claymore is we need to make legs. So the way you make legs is claymores have scissor legs that kind of go like that. So I'm making 4-inch legs. I marked 3 at 4-inch and this one's already 4-inch, so let's get it cutting them. I'm only going to do one nail for each so that it can slide into like a compact version, if you know what I mean. So the reason I only did one nail is so that you can pack it up easier. You can do 2 nails if you find a good position, but now you can just open it up. And scissor legs work. Okay, I'm putting a piece of green tape over where I'm going to wood burn letters that just say front, just for the front of it. And now I'm going to go and spray paint it. I'm going to spray paint this the beautiful color of brown. Okay, so I ripped the piece of tape off and with a pencil I drew or wrote front. Now I am going to wood burn it on. Okay, so now that I've wood burned front onto it, I'm gonna wood burn a fake serial number onto it. So the next step is we're making a blasting cap that fits in this hole, something that fits in the hole. We used a piece of a pencil, and then we drilled a hole through the end of the pencil and put a rope through. Now we're just gonna put a knot so that the pencil can't slip through. So we'll do a couple knots. There's the 2 knots. Now, if you need to do more than 2 knots, that's okay, but just put some knots so that the blasting cap that you're using won't fall out. And now it sits in here. And basically the way a claymore works is you either use it as a tripwire, and when someone trips over it, the cap will pop out and it'll explode, or you can hide behind something, and then once you see somebody coming, pull the cap and the thing explodes. So that's how to make the blasting cap. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time.